Good evening, everyone. Yeah, let us start. Now, today we are going to discuss new algorithm, KNN, 16th, less boundary regression, K nearest neighbor, Fine then, let us start, please. Yeah, come on. So let us start. KNN is a supervised learning technique, and a KNN algorithm follows what exactly one basic rule, that is a similar things are near to each other. The very first point, KNN is a supervised learning technique, and it is also called as a lazy learning algorithm. Among all algorithms, there is only one algorithm. During training, it cannot learn anything actually. During training, it cannot learn anything. And during training, it will just try to memorize the data. That's it actually. Memorize and training quite different actually, right? And it is also called as a lazy learner algorithm because it does not learn from, training set immediately. Immediately means think like when doing prediction, when it is required, then you can, start trying actually. At the time of training phase, this algorithm just to store the data set. At the time of algorithm, it just like a best example, I hope you know, like a buffalo, how it eats, wherever food is available, it gathers actually. Immediately it cannot eat. Later it can, I hope you know the process will be. Yeah. Never wait. In Telugu actually, but in English, I don't know. Whenever we get new data point, then it classifies what exactly? Category. Talk with me, sir. Whenever we get new data point means if during prediction it classifies what exactly category. How it works, it's a very simple. It simply calculates the distance of new data points to all other training data points actually. Best example, once you scatter the data, once you scatter what exactly, sir? Data. What exactly it will do, it simply calculates the distance of your new data point to all other training data points actually. Hold on, let me just try to assuming that we have created a scatter plot, and there are some data points. Here is the one group actually, assuming that here is some one group and here is other group of the data points. Suddenly one new data point came here. Suddenly what exactly, sir? One new data point came here. This data point, I just wanted to do prediction, either belongs to this category or belongs to this category. That is a requirement. If you wanted to tell this data point belongs to this category or this category actually, what behind of this scenario, what exactly happened, for every data point the distance will be calculated. For every data point, what happens actually? Distance will be calculated. What are all almost more data points are near, that data point belongs to, that category actually. I need a response, are you getting? Yeah, now you can easy to understand. It simply calculates the distance of new data point. Hey, Daniel, do I need to calculate actually? As I told, not required. Backend one math function, it takes care automatically. The distance can be of any type, either Euclidean distance or else Manhattan. In math rules, actually, it selects the k nearest data points. It selects what exactly? K nearest data points. I told it will calculate for all actually, but it was not like that. Let me show you. It will select the some k data points. Let me show you. Finally, it assigns the data point to the class with the majority of the k data points. Hold on, please. Let me show you diagram. Yeah. Look at this diagram. Look at this diagram. These are all one category, one class of the data points. These are also another class of the data point. It is having feature. It is having what exactly? Target. One more time, tell me. It is having feature. It is having target. Then there are two types of the data. Suddenly, one new data point came here. Suddenly, what exactly, sir? One new data point came. Then definitely, assuming that if the k value is a 3, if the k value is what exactly? 3. Now, from this data point, it will always target the 3 data points which are near. If the k value is the 4, talk with me, how many data points? 4 data points actually. Right, good. You know, this one, and this one. You tell me, this data point belongs to which data point actually? No doubt in that. Belongs to what exactly? This category actually. Even though it is near compared to this one. If it is near also, it never bother. Here, the number of data points matters. What matters actually? Number of data points. Let me read slowly by slowly. Simple, it will calculate the distance of the new data point to all other training data points, to all other training data points. When I say all, k training data points. The distance can be any one of the point, either it can be Euclidean or Manhattan actually. It selects the k nearest data point. I know, I understand your question. Assuming that, let us take a Daniel. Here also two data points. Assuming that here also two data points, same distance, same distance, same distance, same distance. Then algorithm will take one more data point actually. Algorithm will take what exactly? One more data point, right? Good. So it selects the k nearest data point. Finally, it assigns the data point to what exactly, sir? Class, which is the majority of k data points to belong actually. Now, please observe here. Assuming that these are all some quite different data points. Class number 1, class number 2. Suddenly, one new data point came. Then this data point belongs to which category? Then, if you wanted to calculate that one, then definitely which algorithm will helpful, sir? KNN algorithm will helpful actually. This algorithm mostly using in a banking domain, sir. Suppose you have a data set which is having two variables. When we plot it, looks like a scatter plot, something like this. Our task is to classify a new data point with X into the blue, and I mean either so and so data point, either it is belongs to blue category or else red category. We'll see. Suppose the K value is what exactly, sir? 3. The KNN algorithm starts by calculating the distance of point X from what exactly? All the data points. It then finds the three nearest points and at least with the least distance to the point actually. Simple, sir. Best example, this data point, it will calculate which are all most data points are very near actually. This data point belongs to that one. Kenan algorithm will do that kind of calculation. Let us enter into the, yeah, I hope you already know the problem statement actually. Talk with me, what is this problem statement? Any idea? Yeah, hold on. Let me just try to tell you one small point. Iris data set actually the same problem. I will execute the same thing, but I would like to 1 minute. From here you can search. From here you can search linear regression. Please observe here. Linear regression. I'm not giving any space actually. Means directly the word what we have given, with that word it will start searching. With that word it will start what exactly, sir? Searching. Can somebody talk with me? What is with what I'm searching? Come again. Class. Repeating again, that is the with class name I'm searching. Then where are all classes are available, those classes examples you can get automatically. Here you can find a linear regression class, here you can find linear regression class, here you can find linear regression class. Then total how many, sir? Talk with me. 50,000. Now I just need only, I wanted to filter only Python. Then on an average 49,350. Right, good. Provide a space here actually. Now you can search this one. Hope you understand. Can I get a response? Means if you are giving a space, you are searching with the topic name. You are searching with what exactly? Topic. Sir, how many? 1 lakh actually, not a joke. I mean to say that you need to just to walk through, man. Like not 1 lakh, 1 lakh you will not walk through. I'm sure on this one. Minimum some 2 to 3 examples if you walk through. Please habituate with what exactly you know, sir. Kaggle that I can recommend you. Click on Python. Oh my God, 82,000 examples, man. 82,000. This is not a joke actually. Regarding what exactly? Linear regression. Now tell me one more algorithm name. Logistic regression, right? Logistic regression. How many, sir? 68,000. But I just wanted to filter only Python related example. Why? Because are also mixing. Are also mixing. One more programming language is available. Even I don't know about that one, but that program language name is a Julia actually. Good. Now click on this Python. Same thing like that. This is the best way of the practice. If you are looking for more and more example, Kaggle is the point of contact. Only the Kaggle. Do practice only from Kaggle, sir. That I can recommend you. Online team. I hope you're following, right? I'm sure. I hope you already know this use case actually. We are taking KNN by applying the same use case. I'm sure this we can walk through very quickly. There are three types of the data sets, type 1, type 2, type 3. And we are trying to solving by using KNN. We are trying to solving by using what exactly, sir? KNN. Come on, let us do this one very quickly. Almost copy paste. Only one thing will be changed. What is that one? Any idea? Yeah, exactly. Only the model will be changed. Class name will be changed. Generative AI material is creating, sir. Demo1.py. Click on desktop and click on programs. You can just try to run this one. Do I need to copy paste the data set? Not required. Why? Because public data set means by default the data set is inbuilt with the sklearn library. Let me just try to run this. Yeah, good. I hope you know. Then feature names is important, target names is important, target is important, data also important actually. Data also important. How many rows? Any idea? 150. Yeah, yeah. Yep. So feature, how many features? Four features. Sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Hope you already know. Then the next one, target names also if you wanted to know. Small suggestion, sir, whenever you are using dot notation, whenever you are using what exactly dot notation, you should not provide a space. You should not provide what exactly space actually, right? You should not provide. Not from your batch. Other batch students they are providing. Iris dot data. Iris dot what exactly? Data. Hey, can I capture the data? Man, you can capture. Maybe 2 to 3 times we run the same example. That's what I'm walking through very quickly. Any idea what it is returning? Yeah. Length of the data and even print length of iris dot data set actually. Good. 150. We are creating a data frame and printing the data frame. If you are thinking like I'm explaining very quickly, yes, you're right. The thing will be this. We already done many times actually. Import pandas as a PD. All right. Now, sir, I have a one question. I'm not sure either this point I covered with you or not actually. Uh, can somebody talk with me? Loading the data set. Loading what exactly? Data set actually. Take a sales1.csv and how to load? Tell me. First line is import pandas as PD. Next one is df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Now here you need to provide sales1 dot csv. Then you have to print like this actually. Am I right? Good. Did you explain how to load in a real time? Function oriented. Did you explain actually? Good. Let me repeat one more time. Important actually. The same example, how to load in a real time, it's a very important. Please focus on this one. Uh, Let me convert this example into in real time loading the data set. We have to use function oriented. What we need to use actually? Function oriented. What do you mean by that? Let us load the data set by using function oriented actually by creating a function. How to do that one, sir? Same thing, you need to take it out. Let me just try to write it. 1 minute. Let me take a backup. Same thing actually. Just try to see how I am converting. The example will be how I am converting actually. Please understand this one. What you need to do, sir? First of all, you need to create one small function and load underscore data. Load underscore what exactly? Data or data set. Anything you can say actually. Data or data set. And here ensure that it should be a parameterized function. What function? In real time, we are using more parameterized function actually than column. And here, instead of this one, df equals to, otherwise df1 equals to, pd dot read underscore csv. And Tim, listen carefully. If a function having a parameter, definitely that parameter we have to use inside of the function. Definitely that parameter we have to use inside of what exactly? Function. Then good. Return df. Return what exactly? df1. In real time, instead of writing this line, this code would be highly recommended actually. Highly recommended. Did you understand? Good. Let me tell you. Now come here. F equals to in between double quotes sales1.csv. Now df2 yeah, good. There is a function. Function name is called as what exactly? Sir, you have to talk with me. Load underscore dataset. Good. Let me just try to call this function. Having one parameter, that parameter here you are using means read underscore csv means no doubt at all here it should be a name of the file actually. Then here provide this f actually. Provide what exactly, sir? This f. A function having the return statement, listen carefully. A function having the return statement, function calling, we need to assign it to what exactly? Variable. df2 equals to, then let me just try to print this one like this. This is the real time way we used to load the data set like this. I hope you understand actually. Instead of writing a straight line, this line anyone can write actually, but this line, all examples, it would be good to convert into function oriented. This is the best practice, man. Best practice. In real time, we are using functions. Nothing is there. Just to create a parameter as a function and return statement is required actually. You should know the return statement fundamental. If a function having the return statement, function calling, we need to assign it to what exactly? Variable. Did you understand? I need a response, man. Good. Let me just try to run this example one time. Sales1.csv. Yeah. Sales1.csv. You can just try to run this. Good. I hope you're getting the same output you're getting actually. Sir, every time you no need to change the total code actually. If you wanted to load sales 2, then change this one. If you wanted to load sales 3, then change this one. Sales 4, something like this. The function is a reusable component. Function is what exactly? Reusable component. Are you getting everyone? Good. I hope you're getting. Now let's move on. Good. Once you have done this one, hey Daniel, I just wanted to see the top 5 rows, last 5 rows, some information. There are 3 things I wanted to see. What is the first one? Talk with me. Top 5 rows, bottom 5 rows, and information I wanted to see. Then do one thing. def, create one more function. Def what exactly? One more function. Some common. common output actually, or else 1 minute util. The function name is called as what exactly? Util actually. Now here provide parameter. Then here what we need to do, just to print off p dot head actually. Then just to print off p dot what exactly? Tail you can print. Then p dot info. P dot what exactly, sir? Info. Now I hope you understand. Hold on. If you didn't understand, I will explain one more time. Sir, here what exactly I'm doing, once the data frame is created, once what exactly the data frame is created, I have created one more function. Can somebody talk with me? What is my function name? Talk with me, sir. Util. Then do one thing. And here you can just try to, in a straight away, you can just try to call a function. Function name is a util. Here, can somebody tell me what I need to provide? Exactly, man. df2. Mean to say that whenever you are calling this function, it is returning data frame. This data frame we are sending into util function. This data frame we are sending into what exactly? Util. Then util function takes care about printing the head, printing the tail, printing the information. Beautiful. Are you getting? I'm sure everyone knows about the df1 dot head method, but you have to execute. See, when should use return statement? When return is not required, you should understand actually. Here, just a printing. What is this one? Just a printing. I don't want to return anything actually. Did you understand? Are you with me? Let me execute this example. This is the real, yeah, Superman. First top 5 rows, last 5 rows, next one is what exactly information. But let me tell you, this function depending upon the load underscore dataset function. There are two real-time functions we have created. First function name is called as a load underscore data, which is giving data frame to you. Once the data frame is ready, use the data frame to another function. Another function name is a util function. What is that one? Now like this in real time, for every requirement, we are creating a function. Simple function. Sir, you no need to be a big logical thinker actually. Don't think about data structures, algorithms. I mean, I don't know data structures and algorithms. Trust me, not required actually. I don't know in the sense that requirement is not yet came till now. You no need to create your own data structures actually. Are you getting? When I say data structures and algorithms, you have to remember your academic actually. Are you from BTech or else MCA? In MCA, there is a separate subject, algorithms and data structures. Sir, I got a pass mark actually. I'm sorry. Did you understand? Good. I hope you understand. Now, why? Because many students are asking. DS and algorithms required actually not required, sir. Sir, util our we created actually utility. This load underscore data set and util are user defined functions. What functions actually? User defined function. Please, like this. Now take this one. And if you wanted to print all information, all what exactly information, then what we need to do, def info, df info, df info. How you will get df info? Any idea? By calling attributes. By calling what exactly? Attributes. Sir, are you with me? Good. You may get a confused. Here also P, here also P, here also P. Daniel, are you playing games actually? Sir, if you want, let us make it P1, let us make it P2, let us make it P3. That is okay. Now here, let me just try to print uh, P2 dot shape. Am I right? Data frame information. Am I right or not, sir? Sorry, sir. Sorry. You're right actually. What is this one? P2. Let me just try to maintain some distance. And P2 dot what exactly? Columns. Can I say attribute returns what exactly, sir? Information. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now seems to be. I need your help actually. How to call this function? Come on, talk with me. How to call that function? df of underscore inf actually. Here what I need to provide? Yeah, seems to be this we are using twice. This we are using what exactly? Conclusion of the story. In your hand, if the data frame is available, in your hand, if the data frame is available, start playing the game actually. You can play like anything. Sorry, here P1 and anywhere else. Here is what exactly? P3. Here is what exactly? Here also P3. That's it. And here also what exactly, sir? P3. Very good. Now run this one. All right, that's it. Done. Super. I need a response. Good. Let's take this example. If anyone didn't understand this example, sorry for saying you are poor in Python actually. You are very poor in Python. This is pure pandas examples I'm executing by using function oriented. By executing what exactly? Function oriented. There was one client, client technical client actually. Client asked, I don't want function oriented. Please create object oriented. Please create what exactly? That is a very rare requirement. Still we can do. Just we need to create a class and a method. Like how functions we are calling, we need to call them methods actually. Did you understand? Good. Let me. Do I need to delete this one or else can I take a backup and running notes actually? I know actually. You will ask actually. Yeah, very good. Let me just try to add here. Yeah, this is the best way of the practice, boss. Please do this kind of practice. Where return statement is required, where return statement not required, you need to spend some time. Sir, spend some time, minimum 1 or 2 days to understand about the return statement actually. If you understand return statement in a Python, you almost clear in a Python actually. Good. Let me just try to continue the discussion. Like this, why the discussion came, boss? Here we are simply creating a data frame, right? Here, what exactly we are simply creating a data frame like this actually, but instead of this one, create one function. Create what exactly? One function. While you are calling that function, then operation is supposed to perform. That is a good practice. That is what exactly, sir? Good practice. Anyway, we don't have that much luxury time. Let us move on. Good, the data frame is created. Am I right? All right. Sir, is anyone disturbed actually? I explained real-time example. Did you understand? No, right? Yeah, good. Let's move on. So we have created a data frame. All right. Then adding the target columns to the data frame. I hope you know. Sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. Then we are adding a column. What is that column name, sir? Target actually. df of target equals to iris dot target. Let me just try to take this one too. Only these 2 lines I need to add, sir. Coding is easy, sir. The way how you take, how you are receiving that really matters. Just try to say. Move on to the next one. Come on. So we are just trying to printing, df of target of what exactly? 0. And we can print this one. We are filtering the data frame by using Boolean condition. By using what condition? Boolean condition. Can I get 1 also? Can I get 2 also? In Python, this topic, in Pandas, this topic where we covered, any idea? Very good. Filtering actually. Filtering. Now run this one. Now, can I give 3, sir? No. What is output? Nice. Just like that. Target 0, target 1, target 3. Sorry. Am I scrolling actually simply? No, right? You know, I hope these are all examples. Target 1. Hey, length I'm checking. What I'm checking, sir? Length, length. The function name is a length actually. Target 2. Length of df. df dot target actually. Good. I hope you understand. Yeah, we are adding name of the columns to the flower name actually. No, not required anyway. Why? Because why not required? Any idea? First of all, this is the categorical data. What data? Categorical. We are not using. Just for your better understanding, if you want, we can do this one. Yeah. Name also we have added. Now we are just trying to separating the first top 50 flowers. First type of flowers. Second type of flowers, third type of flowers, all in one shot actually, all in one shot. Can somebody talk with me? What is this? Slicing. What is that one? Slicing, please. You should know. Yeah. I hope next one is the data preparation. What is the next one, sir? Data preparation. Come on. Let me just try to give a comments actually. Print. So learning. The what is the purpose actually? KNN. Importing the libraries. Step number two. Loading the data set. Sir, even though it takes some time, if you're executing like this, please be patient actually. This is really good practice. Like this, you need to execute. Don't be in a hurry. Data preparation. X and Y we need to prepare. So when I say X actually feature, we are dropping target and flower names, which is not required. Not required columns we are dropping actually. My favorite syntax. Good. Let me run this one quickly. Yeah, importing the libraries. Next one is a loading the data set. Next one, data preparation. Now the next one. Yeah. Next one is a any idea? Splitting the data set. Ratio 87, 80-20. Yeah. Good. I hope you're understanding. Hold on, sir. Morning, one student done one mistake actually. Please, you guys don't repeat actually. There was one new batch started in the morning batch. What is the student done mistake? I'm surprising, but it is okay. Accepted. Why? Because new learner, right? Can somebody help me? I would like to write a equals to 10, and if a equals to 10 value, then print off what exactly I'm printing, hi, and next one is what exactly? Hello. Next one is what exactly, sir? Hello. Am I right? Take this example. Let me just try to use notepad actually. Talk with me, sir. A equals to 10. If a double equals to 10 column and print of hi. Second one is what exactly? Print of hello. Print of what exactly? Hello. Hello. Now save this example. Let me save this one is a test.py. Let me save this one is a test.py and you can just try to run this one. What is output? Hi, hello. Good. Sorry, man. Yeah. Hi, hello. Morning student, what he done, first line, instead of tab, he is using spaces. He is using what exactly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. He used spaces actually. Next one, he used what exactly? No, tab. He is what exactly? Please, you should not do like that. You should not do like that. Either you have to follow unique indentation. When I say unique indentation, either spaces, either traps, that's it, but not mixed actually, but not what exactly? Mixed actually. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? Even though if yeah, tab error, someone told what exactly? Tab error. Actually tab error you will get. Even though the indentation is matching, you cannot guess actually. Are was I exactly given, but still what is error actually? Indentation error. Sir, I have already saved the example also. Then you will understand. Okay, then conclusion of the story, you are providing first one is what exactly, sir? Spaces. Repeating again, to provide the indentation, don't mix space and tab. Don't mix what exactly? I request you, please. Are you getting? Okay, good. This is the one example. And one more example. What is another example? Equals to 10. Surprising. Morning batch students are too much intelligence actually. I'm feeling serious. Very good. Good. They're having really nice dots. A double equals to 10. And here you can just try to print hi. And next one is else. And here he is providing space actually. And print what exactly? Hello. Print what exactly? Hello. Hello. Let me run this example. Save this example. Let me just try to run this one. Exactly. Yeah. What exactly happens, sir? A double equals to 10. A double equals to what exactly? 10 actually. Then see, are you getting any output? No output. Why no output? Because we need to run test actually. Good. Let me repeat one more time. Now let me just try to make it. This one is the 100 actually. Now what is output? Any idea? Hello. Now just try to say. Even though you're getting an output actually, but look at me. Is it recommended you talk with me? No, please. Indentation. Either here we have followed tab actually. Here we followed what exactly? Sir, definitely for me, sorry for saying, magnifier is required. What is required? Both of them under kada. I need to take that and I need to see either it is really available or not actually. Please, right? Either you can follow. If you like only, one space actually, that is fine. And you can follow this one. Please don't mix up actually. That is my suggestion to everyone. Hmm. Let me close that one and go back to the example. Yeah, let me run. Steps we have to write, sir. Be patient, see. Don't be in a hurry to finish the example. You have to write the steps. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set. Next step is a model creation. Yeah, next one is what exactly? Model creation. Model creation. What is a model class name here? K neighbors classifier. What is the class name? K neighbors classifier. Take this one. This is the class actually. Then get ready to create an object for this. Step number 5. We are trying to creating the model creation. Model creation. You can just try to come here, create an object for the model actually. Sir, here how much I am providing actually? N underscore neighbor equals what exactly? 5. Means what exactly this one? K value. What is this one? K value. I know it's surrounded, it will touch almost 5. If you want, you can provide 3, 4, anything is fine. Now let me just try to give a training. Let me run this first of all. Yeah, model creation also done. Next one is a model training. Please either you like or not. I request you, please you have to type these are all steps, man. Model training. You need to write actually. Yeah, model training also done. Model training also done. Next one is a prediction. Next one is what exactly? Check the score. You can check the score. Oh, how much score you are getting? 96. And model prediction. And you can just try to provide, model dot. I would like to create always object name with the model actually. Model. I mean, this algorithm is trained with iris data set. This algorithm is trained with what exactly? Iris data. Take this algorithm. Sir, the beauty with the technology, first of all, this is an algorithm. This is what exactly? Algorithm. No limitation. This algorithm, we can train with any data. Now, as of now, we are training with what exactly? Iris data set. And if you want, you can train with healthcare data. And if you want, you can train with e-commerce data. E-commerce data like this, it is not a domain specific. It is not fixed for the domain. You can give any domain data. it will adopt, it will digest actually. So that's the beauty with the technology. Don't think like k neighbors classifier we have to use only for iris data set. It was not like that. It was not like that. Are you getting everyone? Yeah, good. Keep in mind that. Now take this one. If you're looking for more examples, go to the Kaggle. My suggestion will be you can just try to search here. Directly you are searching the class name. How many, sir? 47,000. Maybe one day I will take two examples actually in front of you. I will run so that you will get an idea at least. Prediction. I hope you know what exactly happened whenever you are taking five. Whenever you are taking what exactly five. Near. What are all data points are very near, it will start counting. Sir, this data point belongs to what classifier? Any idea? How it is classifying? First type of data flare. First type of data set. Prediction with the model. Prediction. Now, one small suggestion, let me tell you. One small suggestion. Please look at my screen, everyone. Whatever the line you are writing inside in print, whatever the line you are writing inside of the print, if you are getting an output actually, ensure that back end, this line, I mean to say that this method having the return statement. This method having what exactly? Return statement. Are you getting? If you want, I will give a small example. Hold on. A equals to values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 10, 10. Good. Let me just try to print values. Let me just try to print what exactly values. I wanted to add one value, man. How to add actually? Values dot, what is the method name? Very good, boss. Append method and let me add 99. Let me add what exactly? If you're not using print statement, if you're not using print statement, ensure that there is no return statement. There is no what exactly? Return statement. This method returns none data type. This method returns what exactly? None data type. But look at my screen. Print of values dot count. Values dot what exactly? Count. Talk with me. What is the result? 3. What is the 1, 2, 3? Yeah, sorry, sir. 4 actually. What is the result? 4. Now, can somebody talk with me? Count having the return statement, append having what exactly? No return. Repeating again, count having what exactly? Return statement, append having no return. Means simply it will perform an operation, it returns none. It perform an operation, it returns what exactly? None. That point you need to understand. Are you getting? Good. These are all basic points. I hope you already know. But by this time, you have to feel these are all points you already know actually. Classifier. Now let me just try to explain model actually. Warning. How to fix the warning, I hope you know. You can just try to come here. Good. I hope you're getting, sir. Am I right? Good. Uh, so the next one, model prediction. We are simply doing, here we are providing X test actually. Kindly do the prediction. Model evaluation, maybe classification report. Classification report. Yeah, classification report. If you wanted to understand this one, you should understand confusion matrix topic. What topic name, sir? Confusion matrix. The topic name is a go back and machine learning. Confusion matrix you need to understand. As of now, you can ignore this discussion. What is a confusion matrix? I mean, classification report I can cover. Even we have a project also. I can cover during that time. Are you getting your one? Good, let's continue. Nowadays, the most recently popular question in interview point of view, almost last 10 days, there are three students have given interview. Three students have given interview, have given interview, given interview. Everyone is getting this common question from the Python. From Python, everyone is getting this common question. The question is called as a, what is the question, Kindly please explain, kindly please explain about underscore main underscore NAME actually. What is the topic name, sir? Can somebody talk with me? What is the first one? Underscore name and underscore main actually. Maybe this is the one of the small topic in Python. But let me cover you today actually. It might be helpful for you. Are you getting everyone? I need a response, man. During interview, directly they're asking, please explain about underscore underscore name or underscore underscore main, where it will be helpful actually. Fine then. Let me explain very clearly. And just give me 1 minute. Let me pull the live example from the Stack Overflow. Okay. Yeah. First of all, let me explain with one example, sir. Let me explain with one example. That example will be, please, I need your attention. Forget about all these machine learning, these are all stuff. It's a very simple example. Let me explain in very nicely. Please focus on this. Let me use notepads. And here also, let me use notepad. If somebody is asking a question, sir, forget about theory. Don't talk with theory more actually. Explain with example. Explain with what exactly? Example. The best explanation. If anyone is asking a question, if you're explaining at least what you know, 1 or 2 lines actually, even if you don't have a paper, if you're reading the code also fine. I hope you might remember the code, right? Just try to explain. Best example, how to load the CSV file. Then we have to explain. First, we need to import the pandas, like a import pandas as a PD. Then next one, we need to call the function pd.read underscore CSV. If you explain the code, actually, a real-time developer will explain the code. A normal person will explain the theory. Will explain what exactly? Theory actual. Please, during interview, explain the code is really good practice. What you know that you need to explain actually. Good. Now the point will be, can somebody talk with me what you're trying to learning? Kindly please explain about underscore underscore NAME underscore underscore what exactly? MAIN. Right, good. Let me explain. First of all, look at my screen. I have created one function. Function name is addition. Function name is what exactly? Addition. Now you can just try to come here. A comma B. Now here, print of the addition is addition. Addition is, tell me sir, what is addition? Comma. Tell me. A plus B. Very good. You can just try to provide here A plus B. That's it. We done the function actually. Then call this function. Then 10 comma 20. 10 comma what exactly? 20. Good. Let me just try to delete this programs folder. Let me create a programs folder. Let me create what exactly? Programs folder. This is the pure Python code actually, but I'm sure very, very important. Then let me save this example will be control yes. And let me save this example will be prasad.py. What I'm saving, sir? Prasad.py. What is the file name I'm giving? One more time. Last time. Yeah. If I repeated 1 or 2 times, important. Let me save inside in Prasad. Good. Successfully, what you can do, just try to come here. And best example, Prasad and the Daniel. We both are belongs to one team actually. Then Prasad have written one example. That example will be addition example. What example? Addition example. And he's getting an output actually. Good. Uh, we assuming that we both are colleagues actually. Prasad and Daniel both are colleagues. I have seen Prasad code actually. Then I told to Prasad, hey Prasad, even I need same function call. I wanted to perform addition operation. I wanted to perform what exactly? Addition operation. Then what Prasad told, simple. Import my module, call the function, you can get output actual. I hope you already know that one. Am I right? I'm repeating again. Now here, first of all, print of hello. Print of what exactly? Hello. Let me save this one is with the control s nirikshan.py. What is the file name? Nirikshan.py. Talk with me, sir. What is the file name? Nirikshan.py. Now let me run Nirikshan. Let me run what exactly? Nirikshan. Good. Then I call to Prasad over phone actually. I am telling to the Prasad, hey Prasad, I have seen your code actually. Our both code is available in the Git repo. I am looking for exactly the same function. I can still copy paste the function. But instead of copy pasting, what I need to do, import the Prasad module. What we need to do? Import the Prasad module and call what exactly? Addition function. Then close the discussion. Am I right or not, sir? Come on. I need your help actually. Tell me how to import any idea. Sir, I will cry. Tell me import Previously, one student told Prasad dot py. Can I write like this? No, please import Prasad actually. Then move on to the next one. As p, as what exactly? P, something like this. Then do one thing. P dot what exactly? Addition. Good. Now listen. Here is the story actually. Here is the story. What is the story? This is Prasad requirement. Prasad is providing 10 and 20. But my requirement will be, let me provide 30 comma 40. Let me provide what exactly? 30 comma 40. Successfully what I done, I have imported successfully addition function. Addition function was defined in Prasad module actually. Now I am able to call this one. Am I right or not, sir? Talk with me. Am I right or not? Good. Then let me run Nirikshan module. Let me run what module actually? Nirikshan module. Are you ready? What is expected output? Tell me. Stop explanation. What is expected output? What you are expecting? 70. Why? Because being a Nirikshan, here I am providing 30 and 40 only, but what is expected output? 70. But there is a small surprise actually. What is a surprise? Addition is 30 also coming. Addition is what is coming? 30 also coming. Any idea why addition 30 also coming? Yeah, that point you need to understand. What is the point here? First of all, being a Nirikshan, I have imported Prasad module. What module I have imported? Sir, once you imported Prasad module, inside Prasad module, if a function calling is available, inside Prasad module, if a function calling is available, first this function will be triggered actually. Then that's why you are getting what output actually? 30 output. What output you are getting? 30 output. If you want, you can just try to provide here 1 plus 2, 1 comma 2 actually. 1 comma what exactly? 2. Then let me just try to run Nirikshan module. What module, sir? Nirikshan module. Then what is output actually? 3. Then I call to Prasad. Then I told, sir, I'm getting expected output. My output I'm getting, but I'm getting 3 also. I'm getting what exactly? 3 also. I don't want, sir, am I want this one actually? Do I want that one? Then I told to Prasad. Then Prasad was thinking, okay, maybe understand the requirement. When I am executing this file, then only this function call supposed to trigger. I mean to say that now you can just try to call what you wanted to call actually Prasad. Then it is executing. Very good. For me, it is working fine actually. If some other person is trying to using this one, if some other person is trying to using this function, I wanted to stop this function calling. Am I right or not, sir? I wanted to stop that function calling. How you can stop, by using underscore underscore NAME underscore underscore MAAN. By using that, you can stop this function calling actually. First of all, did you understand the problem statement? I need a response. Yeah, if you want, let me repeat one more time. Once understand, then you can understand the logic very quickly. Simple. What exactly we done, let me just try to create a very quickly, very quickly. I'm creating a function def, addition function I'm creating, and a comma b, and here I'm just trying to printing the sum is, I would like to say sum is comma a plus b. A plus what exactly, sir? B. Then addition of, let me provide 1 comma 2. Let me provide what exactly, sir? 1 comma 2. Let me save this example will be prasad.py. I'm saving this example will be what exactly? Prasad.py. Go to the desktop and program, save this example. Then Prasad is happy. His task is done. Prasad is happy. His task is done. What is output actually? Talk with me, sir. Exactly. Why, sir? Oh, okay. Thank you. Good catch. Let me try. Addition. Oh, sorry. Good. You got an output actually. Am I right or not? Exactly. The Prasad called actually, and he told, "Hey, Nirikshan, my task is done. I am also belongs to Prasad team actually." Then I told, "Can you please share your code?" He shared actually. Then what I told, I am also looking for the same function. Then still I can do copy paste actually. In whenever you are working in a project, copy paste is that is first of all avoid that one. That is not a good practice. This is called as a duplicate code. What code actually? Also called as a boilerplate code. What code actually? Boilerplate actually. Right. You should not duplicate. Then what Prasad told, hey, simple. You can import my module. You can call the function. Yeah, I'm importing the module. I'm importing what exactly? Sorry, sir. I'm habituated P. Prasad has P. Prasad has what exactly? P actually. Good. Now, P dot addition function. What function? Addition function. Successfully, I'm trying to calling something like a 3 comma 4. Something like what exactly? 3 comma 4. Now, being a Nirikshan, I'm using Prasad module actually. Then Nirikshan, I am expecting what kind of output I'm expecting. I'm expecting only 7. I'm expecting only what exactly? But I got a surprise output. What is output actually? 7. The expected output also I got it. And one more output I got it. What is that one? 3. Then I called to Prasad. Prasad, I don't want to trigger this one. Can you please block that code? Can you please stop that function call? Then we can do. How to do that one, sir? How to do that one, by using, look at my screen. If underscore underscore NAME underscore double equals to underscore, don't worry. Why these many underscores? I can explain later actually. Just a simple by adding this line, just a simple by adding this line, your error fixed, sir. Now get ready. Look at my screen. I will give a time to make a note actually. Look at my screen. Now, first of all, any problem with the Prasad code actually? No problem. Now, any problem with the narration code actually? Look at my screen. Sir, no problem. Issue fixed actually. Did you understand? Yeah, good. Now I will explain one more time. Not end to end actually. Py prasad.py you can run actually. Py what exactly? Nirikshan.py. Sir, let me delete this one. I'm sorry. Let me delete this line. Let me delete what exactly this line. And you can just try to, now you can run. You have to tell me what is output actually. Prasad, any problem? No problem. Nirikshan, any problem? There is a problem, sir. Why? Because I don't want this line actually. I don't want what exactly? This line. Then you need to add one line actually. That line will be, what is that line? Just here you need to come here. If, read everyone, underscore NAME underscore. Repeat one more time. Underscore NAME underscore. It is a special attribute. It is what exactly, sir? Special attribute. It is equivalent to double quotes underscore MAIN underscore. Whenever you are writing this line, I hope you already know column came actually. Inside if, exactly you need to keep function call. Inside this condition, you have to keep what exactly? Function call. Indirectly, this means to say what exactly, if you are running Prasad code, then only call this function. If you are running this Prasad code, then only call this function. If anyone is trying to importing this one, please don't call this one. Please don't call this one actually. I'm sure, I hope you understand, sir. Are you with me? Good. Let me explain, with one more example so that we can close this discussion actually. Don't worry. First of all, let me explain in such a way that I will explain the theory also. I have already created the document. Look at my screen, everyone, please. Take this code. Then for this example, the expected output is what exactly, sir? Tell me, sir, the expected output is a sum is, tell me, 3. Very good. And now here also, nirikshan.py also, the expected output is what exactly, sir? Sum is 3 and sum is what exactly? Sum is what exactly? 7. So definitely it is a sad moment actually. Why? Because I don't want this 3 as an out. Then how to fix this one, The same code. Like this one. Now the output is the same. You can just have to take nirikshan.py. Get ready. Uh, get ready, sir. Now I have a question. Who fixed the issue? Tell me. Very good. That point you need to understand. Then still Prasad can ignore. Hey man, that is your problem. What is that one? That is your problem. And my code is working. I'm getting 3 as an output actually. Then you have to stop using. Senior never say like that actually. Being a junior, if you are getting an issue, senior will take the responsible and he can fix the issue. When I say issue, that is a project issue, not a personal. Sir, let me tell you, whenever you are working in a real time, if you are getting any issue, actually don't be personal. Hey, you are getting issue in my code, there is no issue, don't talk like this. Actually, you, I, these words we have to ignore. Our project, we work it together, something like this, right? Now here, the expected output is a 7. The expected output is what exactly? 7. Hold on. Let me work with one more example so that we can close this discussion. I have prepared a material, don't worry. Get ready, sir. One more example so that we can close this discussion. Now, let me just try to open a notepad. Now here, def convert. Def what exactly? Convert. There is a function I'm creating. Now print off p dot upper. P dot what exactly? Upper actually. Other or else title. Then convert. Then what exactly, sir? Convert. And here he is trying to converting Naresh. He is trying to converting what exactly? What is output? Let me just try to save this one is a prasad.py. And you can just try to save this one. And you can just try to save inside programs. Talk with me. What is output? Any error actually? No error, right? Let me just try to run this. Yeah, Naresh. Then exactly, Nirikshan. I have seen the code actually. Even I told to Prasad, hey Prasad, I'm looking for the same code actually. Then get ready. Being a Nirikshan, let me just try to call the Prasad module. Let me just try to call what exactly, sir? Prasad module actually. Talk with me. Import Prasad as P. Sir, save this example. Did you notice or not? By default, when you are importing that function definition triggered, function call triggered actually. That point you have to catch. See, even though I'm not calling, now kindly please run the Nirikshan actually. What is output you're going to get, Naresh? Did you understand? Whenever you are importing, ensure that function call also will trigger. Function call also what exactly? Trigger actually. That's why when I was explaining module topic actually, function calling I removed. Did you understand now? Yeah, I hope you understand. You can connect actually. Good. Now you can just try to come here. P dot, what is the function name? Convert. Now here I'm providing Daniel. I'm providing what exactly? Daniel actually. Otherwise, something like a Kusuma. Why? Because why I'm changing the name, Here also Daniel is available, right? You may get a confused. That's what I'm thinking. Nariction. Now please observe here, sir. Now here, what is this one? Naresh. What is this one? Kusuma. I hope you know the expected output is capital uppercase Kusma only, but uppercase Naresh also is getting. Sir, I need your help. How to fix this issue? Any idea? Where do I need to write here actually? No, just try to come here. Tell me, if underscore underscore NAME underscore underscore double equals to underscore within double quote underscore underscore MAIN underscore underscore now column almost 8 times I spell out underscore symbol actually. Am I right or not, sir? Special attributes, these are all. Now go to the command prompt and you can just try to run first of all Prasad code. Run next one is what exactly? Nirikshan code. Perfectly all right. Hope you understand. Are you getting? Good. Theory I will explain later. Now, any one of you may have a question. Nirikshan, can you please talk with me? Underscore underscore NAME, where it is available, sir? Underscore underscore NAME is a special attribute. That is what exactly? Whenever you are creating any program, whenever you are creating any module actually, inside that module by default few attributes are available. If you wanted to see, just to try to provide only empty dir actually. Now you can just try to call Prasad. Here you can see underscore underscore NAM. Are you able to see here actually? These are all special attributes, like a module wise special attributes. You no need to understand that much depth actually, but you can just try to see there is an attribute I'm using. What is that attribute name? Underscore underscore NAME. Are you getting? You can just try to write a documentation string. If you wanted to print the documentation string, you can use this one actually. These are all not using in real time, but trust me, not required actually. I hope you're getting, sir. Can I get a response? Good. What is the theory? I can explain later. While giving information, written statement is there. Yeah, all right, let's move on. I know you're expecting some notes actually regarding this question, how to explain during interview. Don't worry, I have a notes actually that is still in review mode. I can help you. I will provide the notes for this. Example, you understand, I guess. Am I right? I will provide notes for this. Now, let us just try to continue, sir. Yeah, machine learning. Confusion matrix is pending. Bias variance hidden, random forest, K nearest, K fold. This I can cover during project discussion, sir. K means hidden, KNN hidden actually. Navy bias and hyperparameter tuning actually XE. I would like to start this one or this one, sir. 1 minute. Let me start XE boost, which is seriously interesting topic. What happened? Any guessing matched actually? Let me just try to take this one. Sir, damn sure interview question. And we are using this one in a real time. Good. All right. Let's move on. Now, what is the next topic, man? Tell me. XE boost. XE boost, it is one of the algorithm. I will tell you what is the purpose of this one. Look at my screen. Come on. Look at my screen. Yeah. So XG boost stands for extreme gradient boosting. Repeat one more time. Extreme gradient boosting. I will tell you. What do you mean by extreme gradient boosting? XC-boost is a decision tree based ensemble machine learning algorithm. We already have seen ensemble methods actually. Where we have seen? Sir, more than that, XC-boost is a super fast actually. Assuming that random forest is giving good score, something like a 92, XC-boost will give more than 92. More than what exactly? 92. Conclusion of this story. Yeah, look at my screen. This is the very, very important. When you're talking about the linear regression, when you're talking about what exactly? Linear regression. Sir, this is only works as a only works as algorithm. Works as what exactly? Algorithm. You might be wondering, yes, it should work like algorithm only. Why not other thing actually? Hold on, I will tell you. Now let us take a logistic regression. Let us take what exactly? Logistic regression. Logistic regression. Even this works like what exactly? Only algorithm. Like this, all algorithms are like this only. But if you take a XC boost actually, sir, XC boost algorithm will work in two tasks. It will work in two tasks actually. First task will be, no doubt at all, this is an algorithm. This is what exactly? This is an algorithm. This is really good actually. So the second point is what exactly? Hello, Daniel. I have a data set. I have what exactly? Data set. Come on, look at my screen, everyone. I have a data set. In my data set, I do have a 10 features. How many features? Hey, just now talk with, yeah, in my data set, I do have a 10 features. But I just wanted to know, Let me take all these 10 features 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 actually. Then I would like to say the 11 feature is the target variable. 11 is what exactly? Target variable. Sir, let me tell you, these are all features. Definitely it will impact output actually. These are all features. Definitely it will impact what exactly? Output. I mean to say that either this variable or strong having relationship with this one. This variable is really good with this one. This feature is really good this one. If you wanted to select what are all the best feature, you can use XCBoost algorithm also. I mean to say that we do have a 10 features. We do have what exactly? 10 features. Sir, don't think like all 10 features are really good features. No, there are some bad features also. I mean to say that let us take a third feature which is having really good relationship actually. Let us take a eighth feature actually. It is not performing well. Then conclusion of the story, this algorithm will helpful, helpful to get the best features. To get what exactly, sir? Best features. In real time, we are using this one. Somebody asked a question. Hey, Daniel, I have a data set. In my best example, we worked with the Iris data set, man. What data set actually? How many features? Four features. Out of these four feature, which feature is really very good, you can recognize actually by using XCburst. By using what exactly? XCburst. Conclusion of the story, by using this one, we can select the best features. We can select what exactly, sir? Best feature. Conclusion of the story, we can select we can select the best features, man. We can select what exactly? Best feature. Feature is different, best feature is different, sir. Feature means it's a normal one. Best feature means it is having good relationship with the target variable. It is having best example, man. Best example. I called to my father. I asked, Dad, send me 10 lakhs rupees. How much actually? 10 lakhs actually. You call to my father and you asked, Uncle, send me 10 lakhs rupees actually. Talk with me. To whom I will send? Tell me, sir, why you're laughing? That's called best feature. No doubt at all. There is a relationship with the target variable actually. I mean, I and my father having the relationship and he can send me. Even though you are best friend to my father, he can think once actually. Maybe you are in needful, but first priorities, sir, Daniel only. Are you getting same thing like that? Regarding the target variable, either this one having the strong relationship, this one having the strong relationship, by using this one, we can recognize actually. I will explain. Practically, we'll see. This is really very good example. Practically, we'll see. I mean, XCBoost works like a two scenarios. The first one, no doubt at all, it is an algorithm. Second scenario also it will work actually. What is that second scenario? By using this algorithm, we can select the best features. We can select good. Keep in mind that. Let's move on. Maybe let me give a quick introduction today. We may not close that today. Yeah, we may not close. It combines the, I hope you know the meaning of ensemble. Ensemble means the same thing like a combines the all models actually. Am I right or not? Same thing like a random forest. So that it can get the what exactly? Better perform. Sir, don't think like XCBeast is the new topic actually. Simple. It is a class. It is what exactly? Class. Then what we need to do? Create an object. Then what we need to do? Call the method. That's it. We can close the discussion. Understand the pattern. Why use XCBoost? The two reasons to use XCBoost, we are also two goals for the project actually. First one is the execution speed. XCBoost is super fast, sir. XCBoost is very super fast actually. Next one is a model performance. Sir, let me tell you, if you wanted to work with this one, you have to install separate library. This by default, it will not come with sklearn actually. This is a separate package. That package name is a XCBoost. What is that package name? Are you getting? Now let us just try to install. Till now, in a Kaggle, there are many models actually. XCBoost stands on the first place irrespective of the execution speed actually. Pip install XGBoost. Let me install. I hope you already installed. Yeah, I already installed actually. When you're installing by default, SciPy is installing, Scientific Python. Next one is a NumPy, right? NumPy, good. Hmm. Let's move on. Now, first of all, let me explain the problem statement. Let me explain what exactly problem statement actually. Yeah, please observe here. We are going to work with so and so data set, and this data set having, don't think like this is the Indian's data set actually. Some country, I will tell you, there is a diabetes patients. There is what exactly, sir? Some diabetes patients actually. Good. Let me explain a small scenario. There was one country, sir. First of all, understand. I like to explain with a small story actually. There was one country, and people we do have actually. Inside of that one, there is a population. Population actually. When I say the population, male category, next one is what category? Female category. Good. Sir, what exactly happened? Almost, having some diseases, having what exactly? Some kind of some health issues, having the people having some health issues actually, health issues. Then once they are getting health issues, they are going to what exactly? Going to hospital. Going to what exactly, sir? Hospital. Especially what happens, male having good good immune system actually. No doubt in that. Male having what exactly? Good immunity power. Now let me tell you, female in this data set, what exactly happened, sir? These females are facing one serious issue. What is that issue, sir? They're facing diabetes issue. What issue actually? Diabetes issue. First of all, do you know what do you mean by diabetes? Yeah, yeah, good. Sugar actually. Then that is called as a diabetes. Generally, when people will get a diabetes, talk with me. When they will get? If you eat more sugar, you will get. Sorry for getting. Huh? Yeah, obesity, and there are some certain parameters. Every person will get, no doubt in that. But at what certain level, at what they will get actually? Maybe after 60, after 70, after 50, something like that. Am I right or not, sir? But in this country, what happened? Almost all these females, overall age is 20 plus actually. Overall age is what exactly? 20 plus, and overall age is less than 40. These are all getting diabetes. These are all getting what exactly? Diabetes. Then the hospital noticed the thing actually. Then hospital team, what they done, assuming that there is a female, one madam actually came to hospital, and she is telling, I'm having fever. I'm having what exactly? Fever. Now talk with me. First, what test they will do? Good, very good. I hope you understand. In the specific country, instead of blood test, what test they will do? First of all, talk with me. Diabetes test they will do actually. I mean to say that even to check the diabetes, to check what exactly, sir? Diabetes actually. There are some certain parameters. Understand the what are all parameters actually. Are you getting what I'm saying? Good. Let me show you. Please understand. This is the healthcare domain related use case actually. We are going to work with so and so healthcare domain data set. I will show you the CSV file also. This data set is related to healthcare domain. Healthcare domain. So and so are Native American group that lives in Mexico and origin USA. It describes. I mean to say that it explains the patient medical record data. Talk with me. It explains what exactly? Patient medical record data for Indians, whether they had a diabetes within the last 5 years or not actually. Good. Conclusion of the story. If any, this is the especially belongs to females data set. If any female came to the hospital, by default, they will do this test actually. To do the test actually, frankly speaking, doctor is not required. We can create one model. We can create what exactly? One model. Take all patients' information, enter all values actually. Now this model will tell so and so patient having what exactly? Either diabetes or not. I'm repeating again. Patient having either diabetes or not. What kind of problem? Any idea? Very good. This is the classification problem. What problem? Classification problem. I hope you are getting, sir. Good. Yeah. Don't ask what is a classification. I hope you already done actually. Come on, right. It is the binary classification problem. Oh, here already available. It is a binary classification. One of the diabetes 0 or 1 actually. All of the input variable that describes each patient is what exactly? Numerical data. Good. We are going to touch almost all name of the columns. Every column having numerical data. What data actually? Numerical data. Good. These are all, the first column is a pregnancy. I mean to say that number of how many times the female carried actually, how many times, how many kids she is having. No doubt at all. The first feature is the pregnancy numeric value 0 to 17. 0 to what exactly? Sir, nowadays, all females having either one kid or two kids actually. But olden days, our grandmothers having more than 10 kids, something like that. My father having the five brothers. My father having what exactly? Five brothers. My father number is a six actually. I mean to say that he is the small person. Conclusion of the story. Before my father, five. Olden days, the food is a quite different actually. Right, good. Now here, number of times, that is the one feature. You have to collect from, I mean to say that so and so female came and she's telling I'm having a fever. Then first to point, what nurse supposed to take, talk with me. Can you please do let me know if you are married? Do let me know how many kids you are having, or else how many times you got a pregnant actually. Next one. What is the next one? Any idea? Sir, glucose, sir. What is that one? Glucose actually. This is the healthcare data set. Don't worry. If anyone is coming from BPC background or else MBBS actually, you can easy to understand this data set. Here also the values. What is the values? 0 to 199. I'm sure, no doubt at all. If you are trying to getting the glucose level for any patient actually, that value, the minimum value is what exactly? 0. Don't think like the minimum value always will get a 0 actually. It should be some level value in between what exactly 0 to 199. Good. Next one is what exactly? No, BP. What is the next one, sir? BP. Then definitely it is a value. Skin, insulin, BMI, body mass index, so on so other value. Age value also would you have? What is age value, sir? 21 to 81. Why not 1000 value? Talk with me. Hope you understand about it. Compare with other values also. Don't ask here why 1000, sir. Why not 1000? Why not 2000? Why not 3000 actually? I mean to say that there is a minimum value. There is what exactly? Maximum value. Are you getting? Yeah, good man. Now the final value will be either they're having the diabetes or not actually. Total how many features, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 feature. And this is what exactly, target variable. What variable? Here either 0 or 1 actually. Either what exactly? 0 or 1. Let's move on. Input and output from the data set. A number of times the pregnant and the plasma glucose level. These are all BP. The total 8 features actually. Total 8 features and one target variable. One what exactly, sir? Target variable. All right. Then can we continue this one tomorrow? Even if I continue it actually, I need to stop in between. Don't miss tomorrow's session. This is a bit important actually. But let me upload the data. Let me upload this material. Sir, repeating again, officially I don't have any information. Tomorrow we do have a session. If you are having a session, tomorrow I came across there was a festival actually. Officially, we don't have any information from the Narisheti admin. If I'm having, I will post in where exactly? Google Classroom or Google Colab actually? Yeah, Classroom. Dinesh, R value is helping to check the relationship, but XE boost is directly it can get the best features actually. Tomorrow you will understand. R value is helping us to check the relationship actually, but XE boost directly it is bringing the best features. Hey, I done some mistake actually. Let me upload this. Tomorrow would you have a regular session? I'm sorry. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow? When is the festival? Oh, tomorrow. Okay. 5:30. Now, let me just try to load this. Sir, KNN, did I upload it? KNN, did I upload it actually? Then running notes is pending. Am I right, boss? Yeah, good. Let me just try to upload that. So I hope I didn't upload it, boss. Let me upload. I didn't upload, I guess. చేయలేదు కదా? Yeah, yeah. Let me upload. It's okay. It's okay. Cool. Because yesterday we didn't even started the topic, I guess. NIT 5:30. All right, man. You please take care. I will upload the material and running notes. Please. Thank you. Thank you for attending the session.